Hi guys, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn about switch case. Now, people those are from Python background, it is something new for you. People those are from C or C++, you would have already seen about switch case, but it is something with extra features in switch case. That is what we are going to see. Let me give an example to make you understand the switch case in Python. Let me write the code here for you. I'll say main input fmt. I'll say function main. Let me start the entry point. Let me get a variable called as n. It be an integer, and let me try to get the input using fmt.scan. Then let me get the input here for n. Now here in switch, I'm going to get this option of n, and I'm going to check for the case constants, right? So let me say case 1. Now if my n value is 1, this case will get executed, right? So let me say fmt.println, I'll say 1, and I'll say case 3, I'll say fmt.println 3, and then say case 5 fmt.println, and I'll say 5. Okay, then now let me run this code for you to make you understand what it happens. Actually, like if my input is 1, what happens? It will go to case 1. Switch n means it will take n takes 1 and it goes to 1. Okay, got it? Fine. So when my input value is 1, it will go to case 1. If my input value is 3, it will go to case 3. If my input value is 4, it will go to 5, it goes to case 5. Depends on the input what I am getting, depends on what n has. It will go and select the respective case and execute whatever is there inside my case. Okay, let me run this code for you first. And let me give 1. It gives you 1, right? So let me run this and it give you 3, it gives you 3. If I give 5, it gives you 5. And if I'm going to give any value which is not there in the case, I have case 1, case 3 and case 5. So if I'm going to give 2, it prints nothing, right? So if at all you want something to be printed, if any of these cases doesn't match, right? I have 1, 3 and 5, right? If I'm giving a value which is not matching here, I may need to use something called as default. And I'll say fmt dot println wrong option, right? So let me run this code for you again. Before that, let me clear the screen. So let me give 1, gives you 1. If I give 2, it gives you wrong option. If I give 5, it gives you 5. If I give 6, it gives you wrong option. So if at all you want to print something or give some information to the user, if any of the value doesn't match here, you can go for default. And one more thing, many people ask me like, where should I give default? Should be at the last. It can be anywhere. It is not required that your default should be only at the beginning. It can be given at anywhere, any position, right? I can also give default here. Let me give default and then say fmt dot println, I'll say wrong option. Okay, and I'll comment this out. It's not required for me now. I'll just comment this. Okay, let me run this code for you. I give 1, 1 5 1 minute, I'm sorry. If I give 5, I'm getting 5. If I give 6, I'll be getting wrong option. This default can be in any position. It is not required that you need to give only at the last. It can be at any position, right? So the switch case can be used as if also, like you check conditions in your if, you can also check conditions in case. Let me tell you how it works. Okay, so I'll just take this out. I'll say switch. Now if I want to check any condition in the case, I'll not give any option in the switch. I'll not give any expression here. If at all I'm going to give any expression here, it will throw me error, right? So let me say case, when I say n greater than 5. So this is one condition, right? I'll say fmt dot println, I'll say value is greater than 5, right? I'll check one more condition. I'll say case n less than 5, I'll say if value is less than 5, right? So here I'll say case n equal to 5, I'll say fmt value is equal to 5. Okay, so let me save this and run it for you. I'll say 5, let's say value is equal to 5, and run it again. I'll say 12, it's a value is greater than 5, and when I say 4, it says value is less than 5. So you can also check condition in your switch case, don't forget that. Okay, now I have one more option that I'm going to explain you now in switch case. Let's see ch. When I say case, I'll say 1, I'll say fmt dot println Monday, right? I'll say case 2 fmt dot println of, so I'm going to print the days of the week. Let's say case 3 Wednesday, let's say case 4 Thursday, case 5 I'm going to print only the weekdays, right? Now let me save this and run it for you. I'll say 3, it gives you Wednesday, right? So if I say 5, it gives you Friday, right? If I give 2, it gives you Tuesday. Now if my case is that if I say like I am in day 1, that is Monday, I want you to print Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And if I'm in day 3, I want you to print Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. How will I do it, right? So for that we have something called as fall through, right? So if I say fall through, I'll tell you what happens. So when this fall through is there, if I say my choice is 1, it prints Monday and it falls through that, it ignores the case and prints Tuesday. And there is one more falls through, it ignores the case and it prints Wednesday. And your one more fall through ignores the case 4 and Friday, and you have case 5 and Friday, right? So it is not, you cannot give fall through at the last case because you don't have anything to fall through. So fall through can be from the beginning till one before the end, right? At the end, I cannot give any fall through. So let me save this code and run it for you. If I say 2, it gives you Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And if I say 3, it starts from Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And if I give 2, it gives you like that, right? So if I give 1, it starts from everywhere. Fine guys, I'm done with this video. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.